Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do coloring in just using a blender. On the layers, I'm going to select the fills, go to materials, and the grease pencil will select it a solid stroke as a default, but mine is already selected a solid fill. While I was working on the making a characters, and once I start drawing. By the way, I'm using this brush tool for doing a fill. As you can see, it's going to paint the default gray color. And once you go here, select the base color, you can change any color that you want to use. And I'll undo, but instead of doing this, I will go to the tool, select this icon, and I'm gonna change the color from material to color attribute. And once you select this, and go back to the material mode. There's you can see there's the two options are available, which is the stroke and other one is fill. And if you want to just do a stroke, then turn off the fills and enable the stroke. And this grease pencil is going to change from the fill to stroke, which is already showing right here, but I'm going to use the fill for just the coloring. Go back to the tool and hover over to this color palette. Hover over the mouse to the color palette and press E to enable the eyedropper. Select the color, and now just hold down the left mouse click to drag and just fill the color. And once you're going to know that when you're doing a coloring, the new color is going to fill over the existing colors on the top. So I'll just do undo and hover over the mouse right here, which is a draw stroke on back. If you enable this, then once you're coloring, and now it's going to fill the color behind the grease pencil that's already been applied. Okay, so this is the colors that I already filled in for each characters, and I'll go back to the layers. And I want to add some shadows in. I want to add some shadows on the characters to make it more dimensional looking. So I'm going to select the lines, add new layer, and change the name to shadow. Turn off the onion skin. And if you select a layer, you're going to see the blend mode, which is set to layer, and I'm going to change to the multiply. Go back to tool. I'm going to just make it a little bit brighter, like a bluish gray, like this. And I'm using my brush tool, selected a solid fill, and there you go. Now you're adding a color on. Now you're adding a shadows on the top of the layer, but does not really. As you can see, it's going to add shadows without causing any issues like covering the outlines.